So we're here at the ocean, and my word, it looks lovely here. We're just going to check it out and see what we can see here. So what a beautiful area we're at here today. Amazing here, isn't it?
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah. So like I say, we are here at the ocean, and we're just checking the ocean out there. It does look absolutely amazing. And you can't get anything nicer than the weather we've got here today. It's beautiful. Look at it up there where we've got all the rocks and everything in the water. The Golden Gate Bridge is just behind there, isn't it? We'll just have a short walk along this amazing frontier at sea, and then we'll head back to the car and go somewhere else. It's amazing, it's free parking. There's an absolute massive car park in front of all this, and it's amazing, it's free. And there isn't a cloud in the sky. Like I say, the weather here is just absolutely beautiful today. We haven't had clear skies in San Francisco like this for a couple of years, have we?
No. That's what you can see at the top. That's Mount Tamalpais.
So Mount Tamalpais is right in front of us, is it?
The white spot, yeah.
So the other side there is probably Hawk Hill, and Baker Beach is round the corner, is it, as well? So Baker Beach is just straight up and around. I would imagine that's going to be absolutely rammed today.
Yeah.
That's something we'll probably have to look at for you tomorrow. And look how talented this is here, all the graffiti on the wall there. It's amazing. So we are on the beach here now. We're going to just see if we can get down to the ocean's edge. It's quite a way. It's quite a way out. But it's beautiful. The sand's really deep and really soft. So the sand here is beautiful. Ocean beach. Look at the size of it. It's just absolutely massive. We're virtually now to the water here. It's quite a good way out from the front, but we're here and we'll check it out before we head back. And there we go, there's the amazing ocean here. And you can't believe you're just so close to the Golden Gate Bridge. Even though you can't see it, you're virtually on top of it there. It's just behind them hills directly in front of me. Well, just check out the size of the beach. It's massive, absolutely massive. There's people chilled out and just enjoying themselves absolutely everywhere. And you can see there how far it actually is to the main prom again there. And just check that windmill out. There's a windmill there, it's not turning even though it's quite breezy, but it is there. And you can see all the city of San Francisco. I'm just going to check out what this is that's been washed up. It's something really, really weird. If anybody can let me know what that is, let me know in the comments. So let's just have another quick look here before we start heading back to the car.